Morning guys, how you doing?
Morning.
So where are we off to today then, Fran?
We're off to Trakai.
Trakai. It's a beautiful day.
Yeah.
I'm getting hot already, so I'm going to take this jacket off finally. Yeah, so we're going to enjoy the quick morning walk and then we're going to head to Trakai, which is a 30 minutes train ride out of Vilnius. Vilnius fire trucks.
Oh, nice. Nice around here.
Yeah, it's quite different.
Looks very towny.
Yeah. Okay. So guys, back where we were yesterday, the bus station / train station.
Yeah, you always have to be careful because the platform is the 2, you see, platform 2, but you have to watch for the actual track and then the train number. So it can be a
train
bit,
number's helpful.
Yeah, so that's the one.
Okay, so let's go on then.
Carriages starts from the forefront of the train.
Let's get on here. Yeah. Oh, it's packed. Oh yeah, everyone.
It was a little bit of an odyssey to come here. We didn't find a seat. It was fully full, the train. But yeah, everybody had the same ideas.
Yeah.
Coming here today.
Yeah. We're starting from here, guys. I'm gonna do a nice contour all the way around, and then a little bit further, and get right at the top of there. See the castle, have some lunch, and then bridge, a small little island, bridge, and then make our way all the way back here.
Yeah.
Okay, let's make our move. And that's our boat we're gonna be taking. That'll be hard mode, that bit.
You guys gonna see when you come here, all the crowd. If you are like lucky or not, let's say to have a crowd because it can guide you. Like the first time you're here, they're all gonna take this lakeside walk, potentially because it's very beautiful. So just follow the herd. And yes, we waited for most people to be gone. We went toilets and stuff, so we can do
you have
it
a bit
without.
of space, yeah.
Yes.
with less noise as well, so yeah, much better. Fran's gonna hate me saying this, but what a nice gem. Yeah.
I don't particularly hate the word gem, but it's just overused.
I'll have to say another video. You gotta get the gem count going. Yeah. Okay guys, we're pretty much halfway now. So where that arrow is. So let's do the show again. Straight from there, went round. All these little clips you've seen along the way. And then boom, right here. And get up there. That's it, nice bench over there.
This is the pastry.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Not bad, yeah. Yeah, you can see that it's more curd than spinach, to be honest. And yeah, the dough seems not too cooked, to be honest, but it's alright.
flying fools. Looks awesome. No boats. Yeah. So much stores today. I don't know if it's a usual occurrence with all these little stores everywhere every weekend, maybe.
Yeah.
Or maybe it's just this time of year. But yeah, can't wait to finally get to this point.
Yeah.
Touch the grounds and.
Looks really good. It's the only island castle in Eastern Europe. This place, Trakai, used to be the capital of Lithuania centuries ago. And again, you're probably gonna guess who founded this castle. It was Duke Gediminas, that you remember from the tower, the name Gediminas Tower in Vilnius. So he found this place, this lake, this place, the islands by chance when he was on a hunting trip. So we speak in 14th century. He fell in love with the place and decided to move his court here. And that's why the castle was built. And if you're wondering about, wow, this looks so new, is it like a 14th century castle? Well, actually, it is, like the foundations are, but the castle itself got destroyed, got attacked in the 18th century by Muscovy troops. So it was reconstructed. So you guys will see the fundaments. Yes, they're still like the original. You can see them, how old they are. But then that part there is definitely, and the top as well. They were all reconstructed and they finished in the 1960s, so that's why it looks so nice, new as well.
Guys, we was thinking obviously going more in the central grounds, but what we read is it's about £8.50 to pay for the ticket just to go in the grounds. There's a few rooms, but then you pay another supplement, £1.50, just to take photos or videos. So, but yeah, we're gonna have a good walk around the perimeter instead. But no, it's nice as at least we saw a little bit of the ground. So we're happy from the courtyard area. So yeah, come follow us, and we show you the perimeter of the castle. Wow, what a hole in the wall that is. Pretty epic. Hello! We're going to head back across the bridge now. Yes. And check more of the town. And we're free now, just to enjoy the fair and fights and see the stores and stuff. So, what have we got there?
And that's a 700. That's probably why it's so like this fair and all these people around. Potentially it might be the anniversary this year. 700 from the birth of the place and the castle.
Okay, so, oh wow, look at these houses.
Yes, we'll be telling you a bit more once we get to a quieter place. So So you guys also saw those colored houses, and so they belong to the Karaite community that settled in Trakai. This was back in the 14th century when the Grand Duke decided to build a castle to take all the court from Vilnius here in Trakai. He also imported this Crimean community of Karaites, so from Crimea, they come from Crimea. They settled here for him. They were his bodyguards. They were servants, and yeah, he built them a town, and they were all living here. I'm not sure exactly why he wanted this Karaite community to settle here in Trakai and serve him, but that's what happened. So who are the Karaites? They are an ethnicity of Turkish-speaking adherents of Karaite Judaism from Crimea, as we were saying, but their origin is a matter of controversy because some scientists regard them as descendants of Karaite Jews. Others view them as descendants of Khazar. But yes, so they worship in the Kenesa, and all the houses, you guys see them. Right now in Trakai, there's still about 20 families of Karaites, 20 families that identify themselves as Karaite.
Looking at the glasses back on the
So you guys see the kibinai, the traditional Karaite pastry that we tried earlier. So that's a traditional food of the Karaite community.
There's an old wives' tale, and as you see, there's 3 windows at the front of the house. But the old wives' tale was that there was one window that was given for God, one window was given to the Duke, and one window then was given for the owner. But that was all a lie, because in fact that the Duke charged him for the windows, so sometimes some of the houses might only have 1 or 2 at the front, because obviously, you know, they only could afford to have those windows put in.
An interesting fact, the Karaites, with the Nazi occupation of Lithuania during World War II, they actually survived the Holocaust. So they were of Jewish religion, as we were saying, but the Nazis didn't consider them belonging to Jewish race. They considered them belonging to Turkish race. So that's why they left them and they didn't kill them.
And we're going to be taking this legendary other bus.
Yes, because basically the next train to Vilnius is going to be at 5:35, but we're quite early, so we thought let's chance it with the bus. So bus is going to be at 4:40, so we're gaining. And she said I think 350 for the bus.
Each? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Just by chance, as we were just heading back to the hotel, we thought to take a nice long walk through the river, and yeah, there's this park here full of skate park and everything, and there's another festival going on. Pretty epic.